Cyber attacks have evolved from simple malware to coordinated multi-stage attacks, targeting networks, endpoints, and users. Understanding cyber defense today is no longer optional, it is essential. Welcome, I am Abdul Rahman Orfi, your instructor for Fundamentals of Cyber Defense, brought to you in cooperation with Starweaver. In this course, you will enhance your expertise in areas like understanding how modern cyber threats operate, enforcing security through firewalls and monitoring, and learn how to defend networks and endpoints, enriching both your professional and personal life. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Start learning today by enrolling in Fundamentals of Cyber Defense. Together, we will navigate these evolved fields and prepare you for future challenges.